Scentland, the land of scent. Hello and welcome, Chris, back with another fragrance review, and this time I'm coming to you in the sunshine. Obviously, springtime is here, and this calls for a great, classy fragrance to be reviewed by the house of Yves Saint Laurent. It's actually a flanker of the original release from 1981. Everybody remembers and knows Kouros, the great animalic, aromatic masterpiece by Yves Saint Laurent, and it has throughout the years it has seen several flankers coming out, and in 2003 it was when they have released, when actually Yves Saint Laurent himself was still in charge, a flanker called Kouros Cologne Sport, and this is how it looks like. It has this transparent bottle, right? This is 100 ml. It's an eau de cologne, as you can see, and Cologne Sport, and there it's a tester bottle. So in the back you can actually see the description, which says it's a fresh tonic masculine frozen cedar, transparent jasmine and cedar wood. Now what you get here is a first of all, the original aroma. Sorry, I'm going to put the glasses on because the sun is coming in. The original Kouros obviously is a very, very special blend. It has this very distinct aroma that some people love and some people hate. Now, I really love the original Kouros and its aroma, but somehow for daily, everyday use, it's a bit too much. Yet, you know, I think they realize that there is a compromise that you can do if you do a flanker or two or three that actually cover the same strong animalic Kouros smell, but with something that is more user friendly or customer friendly or even environment friendly, right? So this is one of those releases. There have been a few flankers around. I've introduced Kouros, the tattoo edition for 2007. I did that last year, the review in the pool, if you remember. And this one, what about this one? Obviously it carries the original Kouros DNA more than the tattoo version, and this is an earlier edition as well. As I say, it's 2003, while tattoo is 2007, and this one truly carries the original Kouros DNA, adding to it a lighter touch. That's all I can say, really, because it's not really citrusy, it's not really you know, it's a bit fresher. That's true. It's a bit more sporty, but I think that the overall impression is that it's just more digestible. You know, this is somehow more customer friendly, as I say. It is just more joy to use this one than the original, and this is therefore a little bit more versatile as well. The good thing is that even though it's an eau de cologne, the performance is outstanding. So this lasts, you know, throughout the entire day. It gives you the Kouros DNA with a slightly lighter, more consumer or customer friendly, fresh approach. But I'd be very careful with this fresh thing, because it is fresh, but it's never citrusy, it's never aquatic, like tattoo has some aquaticness in it. This does not have. This is just a lighter original Kouros, for which I totally adore it. I love the entire presentation, this see-through bottle, these clear-cut lines, the original, obviously the original Kouros shape with the sprayer basically built into the bottle. The entire presentation is just straightforward, clear cut, and totally in the veins of what I want from a classy fragrance. And you know, I've been living in Europe throughout my entire life, basically. Obviously, I've been traveling around here and there and everywhere, but living in this continent, in Europe, in the 80s, traveling by car. I was traveling a lot in Austria, Germany, and all that, and it had all these great you know, restaurants by the highway, And if you're traveling long distances, you stop by these restaurants for a break. And usually they were also in Italy. They have this, and they are nice places with nice food, and it's fun to stop there for a nice dinner or lunch while you're driving. And these establishments have these restaurants have restrooms, obviously. And so picture this: you're driving in the 80s along somewhere in Germany, Italy, or Austria, and it's hot outside, and you don't have an air condition in your Audi or BMW. Even at the time, it happened actually that those cars at that time did not have air condition, and the plastic dashboard is getting hot, and that has a very specific smell. So inside the car you have already this smell when you're traveling. I don't know, I cannot, in the 80s obviously, cannot describe it any other way. And then you decide to stop at the restaurant by the highway, and you say, let's visit the restroom, right? And then you get this distinct smell, this distinct men's restroom smell, while the smell of the hot car dashboard, the plastic is still in your nostrils somehow, and those together create an overall impression. The restroom smell, the dashboard smell, the hot dashboard smell, that will linger in your memory as long as you're alive. And this is what I get from this fragrance. This 80s restroom hot dashboard, classy, unforgettable vibe, and it's still fresh. Why? Because when you were traveling, you were going from A to B. You had good people around you. You were very energetic, traveling to a nice destination, maybe to the mountains or to the seaside or wherever. So you were very enthusiastic, energetic, and waiting to get there. And it was just, it's maybe summer holidays, and it's all very positive and bright and energetic. And this is all bottled in here for me, at least. This is what I connected with. So Kouros Cologne Sport is totally representing that vibe. I don't know, it's maybe a very subjective thing for me to say, but apart from reading the ingredients and the notes, this is maybe the best impression that I can give you overall. So thanks very much for watching. That was Chris with Kouros Cologne Sport from the year 2003, Yves Saint Laurent, and I'll be back with more. I keep using this in this springtime. I think it's perfect for springtime and perfect for somebody who appreciates some special juice for this particular time of the year. Thanks very much, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.